Okay, we're working on a rebuild and watching the draft. This is my current website for Brand 75. And, I literally just built this probably a year ago on Webflow. And now that we're building a full digital marketing company with AI agents, in order to have them be able to easily edit the site, make updates to track the site's health, the code of the site, to make sure the SEO, the technical SEO, everything works. Webflow is just not a good spot for them. You'd have to use the API. There's no better connection than an API. So we looked into Vercel and Netlify. We chose Netlify. So what we're going to do, and Cloudflare. That's important too, because Cloudflare will enable your agents to work in the background on the back end of the site. Excuse me. So that's our stack. It's going to be Netlify, and then it's going to be Cloudflare. And right now, we want to document this build, not just for social media, just to see what we're doing, but also we can use this as a case study. So we have a blog, and we can use this as an SOP, standard operating procedures, for a new client who has a similar build or need. So we're taking this website, okay, brand75.com, that's my website. There's my mug. And we're gonna, right now it's taking screenshots of everything so we can show the before and afters. But we're gonna take that and we're gonna do a redesign. It's gonna look something like this. This is the current, oh, sorry, my dog is freaking out. This is the current new redesign. We used Claude Design, which is lovely, by the way. Shh. If you have not used Claude Design, I highly recommend it. It's great. So this is what we chose for our template. So we're going to take brand75.com's current website, this sucker, and turn it into this. And we're going to do it fully with the OpenClaw team. Follow along.